Let me describe something that happens in almost every growing business. There are documents everywhere. A policy written 3 years ago that nobody has updated. A process only one person fully understands. Training that happens differently depending on who is doing the onboarding. This is not a staffing problem. It is a knowledge management problem. And it gets more expensive the longer it goes unaddressed. Claude is particularly well suited to this type of work. When you need to work through long documents, extract what matters, and turn it into something the team can actually use, this is where it earns its place. In practical terms, drafting SOPs from existing documents. Creating training material from internal knowledge. Reviewing a policy and producing a simplified version staff can follow without reading 15 pages first. This is not about replacing the people who hold that knowledge. It is about making that knowledge accessible, consistent, and scalable. The audit identifies which documents and processes in your business are most ready to be turned into structured workflows. That is where we start. Book your free AI business audit.